Here in the I button and the description box below, you will get complete playlist of partial differential equation. Welcome to video number 8, and from this video onwards we are going to start a new topic, a very good topic, that is Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Okay, and under this topic we are going to cover six very important problems. Okay, six very important problems are we are going to solve under this topic, that is Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Okay, let us start with this topic. Equation of the type. Equation of the type PP plus QQ equals to R. Okay. What is P? What is Q? What is R? So capital P, capital Q, capital R are the function of X, Y, and Z. And whenever you see equation of such type, this type of equations are this type of equation is known as Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Okay, where small q and small p and small q are what? Small p is small p is del z upon del x. We have already seen in video number 1 of this playlist. Okay, yes. And what is small q? Small q equals to del z upon del y. We have already seen this in video number 1, so we are not going to discuss more over this topic. Whenever you see equation of this type, that is PP plus QQ equals to R, this type of equation is known as Lagrange's linear partial differential equation, and we need to solve. Okay, we need to solve this. So here capital P, capital Q, capital R are what? The function of X, Y, and Z. Yes, so we need to find the subsidiary equation, or you can say auxiliary equation. Okay, we can find subsidiary, or in other words we can say auxiliary equations for this type of equation, which is known as Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. And how to find the auxiliary equations? Yes, by this equation, that is dx upon capital P equals to dy upon capital Q and dz upon capital R. Okay, capital P, capital Q, capital R, what? Function of x, y, and z. And here we have not used partial derivatives. We have used simply derivatives. Okay, dx, dy, and dz. Now, on solving this, okay, on solving this particular auxiliary equations, you will find u as well as v. You will find u as well as v, and u and v both are function of x, y, and z. Okay, both are function of x, y, and z. After finding u and v, we can say that is the solution of equation 1. Which is my equation 1? This is my equation number 1. So the solution of equation 1 is given by, we have three formats to show the solution of this equation. The first format is u f of u comma v. F of u comma v equal to 0. What is f? F is an arbitrary function. Okay, f is an arbitrary function. So f of u comma v equal to 0. This is my first format. Second format is u equals to f of v. Second format is u equals to f of v, and the third format is v equals to f of u. Okay, third format is v equals to f of u. I will be using this format to show the solution of any Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Okay, what is u and what is v? Where u and v both are functions of x, y, and z. Okay, yes. Let us see what are the different problems that we are going to solve under this topic, that is Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Yes, here you can see we have total 6 problems. Very important problems. Okay, all the 6 problems are very important, and from next video onwards we are going to start with this. Okay, so do not skip any of the problem. Please go through all the problems and practice it. Okay, and I'm sure that you will be in a condition to solve any of the problem that belongs to this topic, that is Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. So let us start solving this first problem.